being. Who we got here today?
Well, it's still me and you, Sue and Vince.
Okay. And we're getting ready to head out on another day. We're going to go down to
Mallory Square. Oh, the distillery. First Legal Rum Distillery.
Yeah, we're going to go there. We're going to check that out. We're going to do the tour there. And then we're going to go over to the Conch Republic restaurant and have dinner there.
Yeah.
And then Mallory Square. So we'll see you down the road. We'll give you a view of what we're eating at the Conch Republic. And also we'll probably show you, if we can, when we go do the tour at the
distillery.
Distillery at the First Legal Rum.
Are you already drinking rum?
Not yet.
Okay.
Why is the rum always gone? We'll see you down the road. We would sure like that. Sorry, I'm getting it.
The alcohol from the wash. We're bringing over 150 gallons. We will fill the Van Dome right to the very top and begin heating it. Flavored rum. Would anyone like a taste?
Yeah.
All I needed was one hand on camera. You're all included, and I am off the hook. What I am going to do, guys, is this.
In her hand.
I am going to put it right in the palm of your hand. The original shot glass.
Yeah.
Dip your finger in first. Put it on your tongue if you like. My, what a treat you are in for on this Monday. This is coming to you at a robust number of 159 proof. It cannot legally be sold anywhere in the world at this number, but I can give it away. Guys, I'm going to start down on this end, work my way down. Palms out if you are interested. If you want it to disappear, guys, rub your hands together. It is gone in less than 5 seconds. Sanitizer does not make it this high. It stops at 140. Again, this is 150.
It's not,
But it is, it's gone. They probably came up with it during COVID. Sanitizer?
that was too easy going down.
Oh, wait a minute. I don't think I got any. It is. It's good.
Not like what we were doing.
No. Don't even mention their name. Wow. But it was fun.
Thank you. So here we are at Key West First Legal Rum Distillery. We did the tour, did some tasting. People were great. I had a nice presentation. We learned a little bit about rum making.
At Keys Energy, we do more than keep the lights on. Our commitment runs deep in this community we serve. To discover how Keys
And now we're going out to dinner.
Log on to keysenergy.com.
This is Sheriff Rick Ramsey. Many people are requesting.
Okay, there's Jimmy Buffett's recording studio again. You can see see it over there. We just did the First Legal Rum Distillery. Now we're going to go to the Conch Republic Seafood Company bar, restaurant. And we're going to get us some early dinner.
It's not happy over here.
It's not on, now it's on.
It's not on.
Chucky, say hi, Chucky.
What?
Hi, Chucky.
Chucky. Who's that name had? Chucky. I need water. Can we go?
Me and my girl, we're going to have us a nice lunch here at the Conch Republic Seafood Company.
And a glass of brandy. Honey, I'll stay strong on your love. Oh, I can't see.
I can see it.
Oh, thank you.
All right.
At the Conch Republic restaurant, we got 2 original mojitos. And we just came from the First Legal Rum Distillery, so yeah, yum. Sweet. Oops, sorry.
This is our appetizer. We got a coconut shrimp appetizer. And I don't remember the dipping sauce that comes.
Aioli.
I don't remember what it was, but it's a aioli sauce.
Sweet
And
chili.
it is delicious. It's amazing. Very good. Our lunch has arrived, or our dinner, whatever you want to call it. It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
This is my mahi-mahi with plantain chutney and island rice and vegetables. And it's very good taste.
I got
He's got jerk chicken.
I got chicken on the bone with jerk sauce on it.
You're a jerk.
Whatever. Yeah, okay, I'm a jerk, but it's got jerk sauce on it. And we got rice and we got veggies with it. Stuff's awesome, tasting great. And my girl over here, she's got
Mahi-mahi.
mahi-mahi.
Mahi-mahi with plantain chutney on it.
Nice. Very, very nice. Fresh tasting.
Yeah, everything.
Welcome to Kermit's.
Here we are with the world famous Kermit's Key Lime Pie. The boss man himself.
Welcome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you guys.
Let me get back of your shirt just so I got it on this.
You're probably a star. You don't even know.
Okay.
My shirt over there, you know?
Thank you.
Earlier, Kermit was outside. Like No, me with Kermit. And then he's not here. Yeah. Yeah. This is a thrill. Thanks.
Have a good one. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Here I am, Mallory Square in Key West. Beautiful out. We're gonna come over here. We want to watch the sunset. And there's a big carnival ship in port that's docked right now. And they'll probably be leaving a little bit later. Walk over here to the water's edge. Got to chase Sue down. She's running away.
Już się tutaj chowa.